The privacy of personal information is a critical concern in the digital age, where data breaches and misuse of information can have significant consequences. In Canada, the regulation of personal information handling in the private sector is primarily governed by the Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documents Act, PIPEDA, along with provincial privacy laws in some regions. This video provides a comprehensive overview of Canadian privacy laws and practices applicable to the private sector, focusing on the competencies and performance indicators that organizations must adhere to. Domain 2, Canadian privacy laws and practices, private sector. 2a. Understanding PIPEDA and provincial privacy principles. Privacy principles of PIPEDA. PIPEDA sets out to protect personal information through enforcing obligations on how businesses collect, use, and disclose personal information in the course of commercial activities. The Act is built around 10 fundamental principles. Accountability. Organizations are responsible for personal information under their control and must designate an individual or individuals accountable for compliance. Identifying purposes. The purposes for which personal information is collected must be identified by the organization at or before the time of collection. Consent. The knowledge and consent of the individual are required for the collection, use, or disclosure of personal information. Limiting collection. The collection of personal information must be limited to that which is necessary for the purposes identified by the organization. Limiting use, disclosure, and retention. Personal information must not be used or disclosed for purposes other than those for which it was collected, except with the consent of the individual or as required by law. Accuracy. Personal information must be as accurate, complete, and up to date as is necessary for the purposes for which it is to be used. Safeguards. Personal information must be protected by appropriate security safeguards. Openness. Organizations must make detailed information about their policies and practices readily available to individuals. Individual access. Upon request, an individual must be informed of the existence, use, and disclosure of their personal information and be given access to that information. An individual should be able to challenge the accuracy and completeness of the information and have it amended as appropriate. Challenging compliance. An individual can challenge a company's compliance with the above principles to the company's designated officer or directly to the Privacy Commissioner of Canada. Commercial activity clarification. Under PIPEDA, a commercial activity is defined as any particular transaction, act, or conduct or any regular course of conduct that is of a commercial character, including the selling, bartering or leasing of donor, membership, or other fundraising lists. Understanding what constitutes a commercial activity is crucial for businesses to determine when PIPEDA applies. Role of accountability. Accountability remains a core principle, even when organizations delegate the processing of personal information to third parties. This means that the primary organization is still responsible for the information and must ensure third parties adhere to privacy standards through contractual or other means. Consent mechanisms. Organizations must not only obtain meaningful and valid consent but also ensure that individuals understand what they are consenting to. This includes using clear, non-deceptive, and easily accessible consent mechanisms, especially when it involves opt-out mechanisms, consent to new purposes, or the installation of computer programs. 2b. Provincial legislation and its relation to PIPEDA. Substantially similar provincial laws. Certain provinces have enacted privacy laws that have been deemed substantially similar to PIPEDA, allowing them to supersede federal legislation for the handling of personal information in those provinces. These provinces include Alberta, British Columbia, and Quebec. Organizations operating within these jurisdictions must comply with provincial laws which may have slightly different requirements or enhanced protections compared to PIPEDA. Scope and application. It is essential for businesses to understand whether federal or provincial laws apply to their operations. For example, businesses that operate solely within a province with substantially similar legislation may be governed by that provincial law. However, businesses that operate across provinces or internationally will likely need to comply with PIPEDA in addition to any local laws. Differences between PIPEDA and provincial laws. There are nuances between PIPEDA and provincial laws, such as in the areas of individual rights, breach notifications, privacy impact assessments, PIA, and the use of profiling technologies and automated decision-making processes. Businesses must be aware of these differences to ensure full compliance. 2c. Canada's anti-spam legislation, CASL. Compliance with CASL. CASL regulates how businesses conduct electronic marketing and protects consumers from spam and other electronic threats. Organizations must follow strict rules concerning consent, identification of the message sender, and providing clear unsubscribe mechanisms in all communications. The legislation is an important part of Canada's digital privacy framework, emphasizing the importance of respecting consumer preferences and safeguarding personal information even in electronic formats. Conclusion. Canadian privacy laws in the private sector are designed to protect individuals' personal information while balancing the needs of businesses to conduct their operations efficiently. Understanding and implementing these laws not only complies with legal requirements but also builds trust with consumers, enhancing corporate reputation and consumer relationships. Organizations must stay informed and adapt to these regulations diligently to navigate the complex landscape of privacy and data protection effectively.